This video is all about the common problems of our printer. So like for example, the printing queue problem, the fail to print, blurry output of our printers, and etc. So we are going to talk that on this video. But before we continue to the tutorial, please subscribe and like and leave a comment below. And if you have some questions, please do so, and I'm willing to answer all your queries. Also, we have a new Facebook group entitled DepEd Sharing Network. We will be happy if you're going to join, and that group aims to share and learn things by helping it. First, common problem of our printer is when the printer keeps on saying printing queue. When we try to print, the power button, which is green, keeps on blinking. So it means the printer is busy, or this problem is occurring. We try to print documents, but the printer is not working. So the solution for this problem is to open your printer. And for this example, I am using an L360 printer, which you can easily find the printer right in this taskbar, in the taskbar. And if you're going to click beside the language or the time, which shows the time, you can check on the different printers installed in your computer. So for this one, I'm using an L360 series. You can also go to your control panel, and for this one, you can find control panel by searching control panel. So it's the same, control panel, then go to hardware and sound. Then next is device and printers. Then look for the printer which is not working properly. So for this one, Epson L360 series. I would suggest you to just click right here in the taskbar and look for the printer, so that it can easily be located than looking for that in the control panel. Then if you open that printer, this one will appear. When you click on the printing queue, you can see the documents that are currently queued in your printer. So you can just right click and cancel the printing process. Are you sure you want to cancel the document? Yes. So it's deleted now. So all the documents queued in your printer had been deleted. Now if the problem still exists, you will have to search in Windows and type run. After that, enter. Then you have to type services.msc. After that, click OK. So these are the services that are running in your laptop or desktop. Now, what we wanted to solve is the problem with our printer. So we are going to look for the printer spooler. This one. So currently, our printer spooler is running. To solve that common problem, click write on that printer spooler, then stop. Then after that, we have to right click again and start. Okay, so now it's running again. So these steps will solve that printing queue problem or fail to print documents. Just follow the steps that I showed to you, and then the problem will not exist anymore. Okay. Another problem that may exist in your printer is when the output is blurry and sometimes it printed a blank document. So what are we going to do? So these are the steps. We're just going to open our control panel. Control panel. Next is go to hardware and sound. Then next is to click on devices and printers and look for that particular printer that you wanted to fix. So this one, for this tutorial, I am using an Epson L360. Then right click, then go to printing preferences. After printing preferences, go choose maintenance. Click maintenance and then click on head cleaning. Okay. So a prompt will appear saying click start to clean the print head nozzles. Because cleaning consumes some ink, only clean the print head when faint areas or gaps appear in your printout. To use the nozzle check utility first to confirm that the print heads needs to be cleaned. Then start. Head cleaning will take some time, so all you need to do is to be patient.
A few moments later.
Okay. After that, another prompt will appear saying the cleaning cycle is finished. To verify that the cleaning was effective, click print nozzle check pattern. And if you think that the output still it's blurry or it has gaps, then you can repeat the process. So head cleaning, you can do this 2 to 3 times until your output is good. Another common printer problem is the vertical lines or horizontal lines that appear in our printed documents. How are we going to solve that? Again, we have to open control panel and look for the printer. Then right click, then go to printing preferences. Again, go to maintenance and click on print head alignment. A prompt will appear saying the print head alignment utility fixes vertical misalignment, horizontal banding, and blurry printouts. Okay, so click next. Then go to print. Print first. What line is not working well in our output?
A few moments later.
Okay, so after that, a prompt will appear saying, look at the alignments sheet. So after you printed, you already have an output. Find the square without any visible bands in sets number 1 through number 5. Select the number that corresponds to that square from the list below for all sets, then click next. If every square contains a band, select the square with the thinnest band or bands, then click realignment. So for this tutorial, my printed output for number 2 line is number 7 has the thin line. So I'm going to choose 7. And then click realignment. A vertical alignment sheet will be printed. Make sure that the printer is turned on and connected to the computer. Also, make sure that A4 or letter size plain paper is loaded in the printer. Click print when ready. Okay, so you are going to repeat this process until such time that your output will not show some thin lines or vertical or horizontal lines. So those are the fixes on the common problems. Another common problem is when you install your printer and after some time or months, suddenly your printer does not print a certain paper size. The solution for that is uninstall the software and reinstall. After that, it is 100% fixed. So that will solve that problem. So this is the end of our tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and join us in our Deep Sharing Network, which is a Facebook group. Thank you and God bless.